Hey guys, July 8th, 2026. Let's do a yellow watermelon update. KMAC project sent yellow watermelon seeds all over the country. And look at ours! It's like in the greenhouse. This is the greenhouse, hon, and I'll show you in a second what I found. We'll give them a place to climb. Back there is our sugar baby. But our yellow watermelon's doing great. And guess what I saw this morning? I'm so excited. Look! Look, look, look! We have a yellow watermelon! Thank you, Sock and Minnow, for the seeds. Parks Whopper's not doing too bad over there either. Thank you for the seeds. I'm so excited. We got a baby watermelon. Now let me give you an update on the ones in the food forest. And now you're looking at the 4 yellow watermelon plants I planted in a trough outside. And as you can see, they are doing much better than what they were last week. Much better. I'm not sure if we'll get anything this late in the season, but we're gonna try. Thank you so much. You guys check out the KMAC 69 Yellow Watermelon Challenge. I'll do the hashtag. Several people are doing it. Thank you all for your love and support. And let's keep growing. Love you all.